everyone, so today I have got another unboxing video. So today I have got the Luxury Fragrance of Beauty Edit Scent Edit unboxing. So this costs £55, box of mini products, but what does happen is you get a £55 voucher with this box. They'll send it by email and you use that voucher against the full size of one of the fragrance minis that you get in the box. I hope I'm explaining that right. I've unboxed lots of these. This is the August Summer Scent. Oh, I think they've put that wrong. This was out in December-ish time, and it's one I haven't actually gotten before. I've seen it and I was like, oh, I'm not so sure, but they haven't brought out a scent edit in a while, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna get that one. And I had a £30 Lookfantastic voucher, so in the end I only paid like 25 for this, because I had a £30 Lookfantastic voucher. So if you ever go on your account and you've got an account and you get points, you can actually redeem the points for a voucher to use on the website, just in case that is something you are thinking about. I do have a coupon code for Lookfantastic. I don't think it'll work for this box, but when new ones come out, it normally works for the first day. So I'll put my coupon code on the front there. If you see a new Lookfantastic scent edit come out, please send me it on Instagram or tag me in it or something like that, because sometimes I don't see them and I miss them, and I hate it when that happens. But yeah, this is the one that has been out for a while, but I thought I'd unbox it for you guys and anyway see if you guys like this. Yeah, so like I say, it costs £55, but I do get the £55 back in a voucher to use on one of the fragrances in this box. So basically this is, these minis that you get in this box are basically free in my opinion. So let's get into it. And anyways, this has got brands in that I haven't tried, and I think that's why I was like never really purchased it, but then I'm now starting to want to try different brands. So let's have a look. I'm not very good at opening these boxes, I'll tell you that for sure. I don't know if Lookfantastic QR codes are down, because the QR code for this isn't working, and I've literally just unboxed my Lookfantastic box and the QR code wasn't working, so I don't know if Lookfantastic QR codes are down. But I'm going to show you the products in anyways. So the first thing isn't a fragrance product, but it's a little mini lipstick, I think. It is the La Rouge Indurate Intense Silk Lipstick, and it is in the shade 116. This is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, very pretty. I mean, it's Givenchy. Very bougie, very bougie. And this, oh, look at the packaging. Oh my god, look at the packaging. How bougie does that look? Make the mess of my room. I bet you it's a red. Oh no, it's not. It is not a red. I thought it was going to be a red. I was like, yep, it's going to be a red. Oh, no, it's not. I love a red, but that is stunning. That is a stunning colour. Beautiful. Very happy with that. And then we've got the 4 fragrances. So we've got some from Bulgari. Is that how you say it? This is what they look like. And they must be part of the Givenchy range, I'm thinking, because I feel like this all seems to be Givenchy. I don't know, but it's from Bulgari, and this is the Omnia Crystalline, and it's 5ml. And you guys know I'm a sucker for little mini bottles. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, I've never smelled any fragrance from this brand. I'm quite excited. So let's have a look how we open it. Oh. It's got a sweetness to it. It's really quite nice. Really quite nice. Quite excited about that. Very cute and all. Let me make sure the lid's on properly. I didn't want it spilling all over. And then we've got the Anomia Amethyst. Oh, how pretty is that mini? Let's have a smell of this. I wouldn't say there's much difference between the two, apart from this one smells a bit deeper in my opinion. Yeah, but on the skin it could be totally different. I'm so excited about them. They're so cute. Then we've got another makeup item, which is the Givenchy Skin Perfecto Vitamin Blend Serum. This is another 5ml, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I mean, how bougie does that look? I mean, These are fab little things, you know, for stocking fillers and stuff, especially if you have people who like a little bit of bougie products. I just love that. And then the one that I'm most excited about, the mini, is this one, and this is a 10ml, so it's the biggest mini out of them all because the fragrances were 5ml, and it is the Givenchy you tell me how you say that, but this is the one that I'm thinking I'm going to swap my voucher for. I don't know yet, but I've heard loads of people rave about it. So this is a really good size. Like, look at the size of this mini. I'm not going to lie, that is such a good little mini. But this is the one I'm thinking I'm swapping my voucher for. Oh, that's so different. It's so spicy. That smells lovely. It's so different though. I'm not sure if it's something I would actually wear. It's nice though, but it's not like anything I've smelled before. I feel like it's got a woody spiciness to it. Oh, I'm very excited about that. But with that being such a good size mini, it may not be the one that I swap in. I may swap in for one of the smaller ones. But I mean, how good is that? So you're getting all these minis and then the voucher to use on one of these fragrances. Granted, these fragrances are probably more than the £55. But I'll put it on the screen if I swap my voucher in already. But, you know, it's kind of like getting something for free. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited about this. So I'll run through what we got in this box again. So we got the mini, which is 10ml. So in my opinion, that's not so mini. The Skin Perfecto mini, which is 5ml. The little mini lipstick, which is 1.5 grams. And then the two Bulgari minis, which are 5ml, which are so pretty too. And look at that, my hair gets everywhere. But that is this scent edit. I'll have this one linked down below. It has been out for a while, but so you may have already gotten this. But I feel like I'm quite happy. It's not as good as other ones that they've had out, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy with what I got, especially because I ended up only paying £25 because I used my Lookfantastic credits towards it. So don't forget that you do have credits, especially if you might have to sign up for it. So if you've got a Lookfantastic account, go in your account settings and double check that you've signed up to get the points and stuff like that. Yeah, or you might even not know about them and you're getting the points and you've got like loads of points built up. But anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and anyways, if you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below. Can you believe that Avant waiting lists are now open? But yeah, and anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!